what's up? This is Brad Sims. This is my video bike check. Sponsors are Hoffman Bikes, Target, DC Shoes, My Creation, and Snafu. This is my signature Hoffman frame called the B-Rad. It's 20.875 and Hoffman 09 forks. The feel and ride for Hoffman bikes is amazing. It's pretty mind-blowing to have my first signature frame through this company. My bars are, I don't know, there's some tall 8-inch white bars. Stem is an 09 Hoffman spreader stem. Headset is an FSA headset. My grips are Hoffman mushroom grips. Brake lever is an old school Tech 77. Cable is a white Snafu straight cable. The brakes on my bike are Diet Comp 990s. The seat is Hoffman 09 pivotal combo. My cranks are Snafu Mayweather 175. Pedals are Odyssey clear plastic. Sprocket is Hoffman 09 dinky sprocket. Some light KMC chain, I have no idea what it is. My wheels are a 36-hole Snafu wheel set. Back tire is a Snafu foldable tire. Front tire is a Snafu Lindenberg. That's what I call it because it's the size of a blimp. Honestly, the parts I break most, I don't really break them. I'm a crank and wheel bender. If I could change any part of my bike right now, I'd probably change my brake setup. The oldest part of my bike is probably one of the first kink, like OG pegs. What I like best about my bike is that it's my bike and it's my bike. That's it for my bike check. Now let's go riding.